Today, I'm going to do the impossible. I'm going to be trying print on demand. I have no experience, I have never done it, and I've never even created a t-shirt design. On top of that as well, I'm going to try and spend as little money as possible or even no money at all. So can me, a complete beginner in this print on demand business, make a profit? Well, let's find out. Right, so as I don't have a clue what to do first, I'm gonna just spend some time watching some videos and learning about print on demand. So after spending some time watching videos on YouTube and actually learning how to set up an Etsy shop and seeing how print on demand worked, I found this simple 4-step plan that I was gonna follow. I went straight onto ChatGPT to generate some names for my Etsy shop. I settled on Print Wave Designs. Then I went onto Canva to design my logo for my shop, which turned out looking something like this. The final step was to start actually setting my store, but to finish it, I had to actually list a product, which I haven't even created yet. So I went onto Printify and signed up. Next was making the actual t-shirt design, so I scrolled through Etsy for some inspiration and then headed onto Bing AI to generate a design. I loved the look of these retro design shirts, so I chose that was my theme. I then spent around 10 minutes on Bing AI image generator and finally found my perfect design. Just listen to the excitement when I generated this image.
Ho, ho, ho.
I could already smell the money raking in. Next, I went back onto Canva to finalize my t-shirt design, which turned out something like this. Okay, now we're in Canva and we're gonna design our t-shirt. So what we want to do is just get this character out first. So let's remove the background. So my idea with this design is I'm going to make it kind of like them funny beer t-shirts type of things. So we're just going to add some text at the top. And I'm thinking something like 11 a.m. It's 11 a.m. Time for a drink. I feel like that's a solid design. Let's just change the fonts and the colors so it matches the design. So I just need to find like a retro font. Well, something like this would be perfect. And we'll maybe add some effects just to make it pop a little bit more. That's very nice. Okay, let's make this. I'll go for orange for the top text, and then we'll go for this kind of blue at the bottom, or green. And we'll add some shadow just to make it pop a bit more. And I think that's perfect for a t-shirt actually. I'm really proud of that. Now we've finished our design, let's try and put it on a t-shirt. Alright, now we're on Printify. We want to actually add our design here. So we're just going to select this t-shirt right here and start designing. Alright, that's quite small, so we're just going to make it a bit bigger. Oh, it's cutting off at the edge there, but that doesn't matter. We'll just make it a bit smaller. Alright, now I think that's perfect for a t-shirt. So if we just save this product, let's have a look at one of the models here. When it decides to load. Wow. Next was actually promoting the product. So I was thinking about using good old TikTok to help me out. Maybe if I could create a viral TikTok, it will get people to buy the shirt. Alright, so I've seen on YouTube that I can create some sort of video to showcase my t-shirt on TikTok. I'm gonna give that a go, upload it, give it a day, and see if we make any sales. So I finished creating the TikTok and uploaded it. I had high hopes that I was gonna make some money with this merch. Now, the real question is, did we make any money?
No.
We didn't get a single sale in today's video. I think this is due to how we promoted it. Maybe if I spent some money on ads or on TikTok ads, you know, I'd get a sale. But maybe I'll make a part 2. I'll give the TikTok a bit longer. Maybe think about how else I could promote it, but I'm not too sure. But that's going to conclude for today's video. If you'd like to see a part 2, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.